Hello and thank you so much for tuning in at Janelle Hair Collection. Today I have 80 pieces of artificial locks or handmade, whichever way that you call it. And today we are going to learn a step by step on how I came up with this length and thickness, and at the same time towards the end of this video we are going to see how it came out after doing the installation. And I do use this type of hair. This is fluffy kinky. I do love this hair a lot because it's affordable and it has variety of hairstyle. That's why I do love using this type of hair. This is fluffy kinky, don't forget. And what I normally do before I start making my locks, I have to tease the hair a little bit the way you're seeing. So I'll go ahead and tease the hair all the way around, and then after teasing the hair, I'll have now to start unraveling the hair. So when I tease the hair, it will be easy for me to do the unraveling, and then I have to unravel the hair until it's hairy. When you do unravel the hair, make sure it's hairy so that when you do make your artificial locks, they will look more of natural. So when you're doing this type of artificial locks, you really need to take your time. And at the same time, I would love to thank you all for always supporting my channel. If you're coming across Janelle Hair Collection for the first time, feel welcome here, and mind on subscribing onto this channel, because if you do so, it does keep me going, and at the same time it keeps me motivated. So make sure you do subscribe onto my channel, and for you not to miss out any content like this, just turn on the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. So to get this particular length and thickness, this is what I have to do. I'll have to take the hair that size the way you're seeing. I'll fold it into two, and then I'll have to take my scissors and divide the hair into two. So there we go. And then from there, now I'll have now to start doing my tacking. And when you're doing the tacking, you need to be very careful so that you won't stick your hands. And when I do this type of artificial locks, it has three steps. The first step is just randomly tucking in, just roughly, to make the lock the way I'm doing it now. I'm just going ahead, tucking in the hair roughly so that my lock will form. And then the second step, but at the same time you can repeat each step. And then the second step now is just tucking all the excess hair above the lock as you tighten, but not too much. And then the last step now is palm rolling. You can use any petroleum jelly or any hair moisturizer of your choice, and then you'll be good to go. So what I'm trying to share with you today, you can see I'm just going ahead and tucking the hair in and out, tuck the hair in and out. And when I do this type of hair, I'm working with two direction, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. So for now I'm going to repeat my first step. You can see my lock has already a form, so you can see my thumb on the left hand, it's moving on the other side, and then my right hand as it pull the crochet in between the lock. So I call that clockwise, and as my left hand is moving the other way around, I call that anti-clockwise. So you can see now I'm going now on the second step, that is now trying to tighten the hair as I tuck in all the excess hair above my lock. And thank you so much for taking your time and follow up this up to this particular time. Thank you so much for not skipping anything. And for now I'll have to go ahead and do the same thing again until I'm satisfied. Yeah, so I'll just continue I'll continue attacking the hair until my lock is formed, and then from there now I'll have to take the blonde part and join it with the hair so that I'll have the two combination of the color. So if you may ask, I use 1 packet of fluffy kinky to come up with 80 pieces of locks. Yeah, for now. So you can see I'll have to now join the blonde part like that. So I'll have to put it in the middle and then wrap the black part way around the hair, and then now I'll have to continue with my tacking the way you're seeing. And where the two are meeting, you just need to do it carefully so that it won't separate. Take your time when you're doing the tacking where the two are meeting. So for now I'll just take my time tacking the hair the way you're seeing. That's why I do say when you're making this type of artificial locks, it does need patience. Yeah, it need patience. You need to take your time. So from what you're seeing, I'm just tacking in so that the two part will join up perfectly. And like I said, I used 1 packet of fluffy kinky, and then the blonde part I just used a quarter packet. Yeah, a quarter of a packet. So I'll just go ahead and do this until my lock I'll continue doing this until my lock has formed the way you're seeing. I'll repeat the same thing over and over again until I'm satisfied. And for now, I'll have to stop right by here and let you guys continue watching this up to the end, and then I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, thank you so much for taking your time and watch this up to this particular time. We are almost done, and for now I'll just have to go ahead and do my last step. That is the third my third step, that is palm rolling the way you're seeing. And you can just use any moisturizer to protect your palm when you're palm rolling. And when you're doing palm rolling, it's not just palm rolling, you have to press the hair down so that you'll hide all your tacking, and at the same time palm rolling help your artificial locks or handmade locks to look more natural. And for now, I do hope going forward you're going to try this. I hope you find this video helpful so you can see how my artificial locks is looking. It's ready for installation. This is so beautiful and natural. And for now, I came up with 80 pieces the way you're seeing. And for installation, when you're doing the installation, it will depend with your hair. If your hair is strong enough, just fix the hair directly, or if your hair is thin and you're worrying about your hairline, just braid your natural hair and then join with the artificial locks. And then to maintain the locks, you can just use any sheen spray to maintain the locks, and then use any moisturizer to moisturize your scalp. And that was it for today. yeah, thank you so much for taking your time and watch this and learn this all along with me. So that was all about today's video. Thank you so much for taking your time and watch this video, and I'll have to see you in my next video.